to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. Dear student, welcome back to the online classes. I hope that you are completed your holiday homework properly. Children, your periodic test is going on. That's why I am going to revise all the chapter which I have taught earlier. So let us start today's class. This is a computer book, Computer in Action, Part 6. I hope that everyone purchased it. The first chapter is Computer System. In this chapter, we will learn working of a computer system, various types of input devices, various types of output devices, various types of storage devices. So let us start. First topic, working of a computer system. What is a computer system? As you know that computer has different parts. When these parts work together, it forms a computer system. Or you can say that combination of hardware and software is known as computer system, right? Combination of hardware and software is known as computer system, right? Now, working of a computer system. A computer works on a IPO cycle. The full form of IPO cycle is input, process, output. It means that computer takes input from the user and process on these inputs. After processing, it gives result to the output, right? I repeat once again, computer works on IPO cycle. IPO means input, process, output. Computer takes input from the user. After taking the inputs, it processes on these inputs. After processing, it gives to the result to the user. Let's take an example. If you want to make a orange juice, right? Then orange is your input. When you put these orange in the juicer, where it make juice. So making juice is a process. After this, what will you get? You get a orange juice. So orange is a input, processing in the mixer is a process, and after processing, orange juice is a output, right? Here is a here a diagram is given. Look at the diagram. Input devices, then CPU process the data and save it in memory. After processing the data, it give to the output devices. As you know that computer runs on electricity. Computer understand only 0 and 1. It is called the binary language or the machine language, right? Computer understand only 0 and 1. It is called the binary numbers or binary language, right? So input devices. What is the input devices? The device through which we give information or we give instruction or we enter data into the computer is known as input devices. Input devices are the devices through which we can give instruction or we can enter data into the computer system is known as input devices. The most commonly input devices are keyboard. Keyboard is the most used input devices. Everyone know what is the use of keyboard? Yes, keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and special symbol. A standard keyboard has a 104 keys. A normal keyboard has 104 keys. When you press a key from the keyboard, the code of the key is sent to the CPU in binary form. Means when you press A from the keyboard, it transfer in the CPU in the binary form. Binary form means in the form of the 0 and 1. Second example of input devices are mouse. A mouse is a pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons. Mouse is a pointing device through which we can select, we can point, we can open any icons on the screen. Mouse have 2 or 3 buttons. Some of the function of mouse are, mouse is used to point and select things on a monitor. It is also used to draw and paint. It is used to drag one thing from one place to another on the monitor. Types of a mouse. A mouse have various types. The most commonly used mouse is scroll mouse. In the scroll mouse, a wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. This wheel is called the scroll wheel. A scroll mouse can be 2 types, optical mouse and wireless mouse. In the optical mouse has a red light under it. Means optical mouse के नीचे red lights होती है. And wireless mouse, as the name suggests, wireless means without wire. Wireless mouse is not attached to the computer directly. Instead, it communicates with the computer using signal. Joystick. Joystick is another example of input devices. It is mainly used to play games in the video parlor game. It is used to control the cursor on the screen. Right? Light pen. Light pen is a normal pen like shaped. It is used to draw image or point object on the screen. Means with the help of the light pen we can draw image or we can select object on the screen. A graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is used to draw images and picture on the computer's screen. Graphic tablet is a type of input devices that enables a user to hand draw images, animation and graphic with a special pen like stylus. Means you can directly draw images or animation on the screen with the help of stylus. Right? Did you know typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters on the first English alphabet of the keyboard? The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in around 1964. Right? Scanner. Scanner is an input device. With the help of a scanner, we can copy the printed documents or photos into electronic formats. With the help of a scanner, we can copy photos, images, document into the electronic formats. Means we can copy paper, photos into the computer. There are mainly three types of scanner: flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, and sheet fed scanner. Flatbed scanner, as the name suggests, these scanner works best with flat object such as photo and paper. It is mostly used scanner. Handheld scanner. It is a small van-shaped devices. You use it by slowly dragging it over the entire surface area of the document. Means you can drag over it on the paper, on the object which you want to scan. Sheet fed. Sheet fed scanner. It is used to scan loose papers placed in a tray. Means with the sheet fed scanner is used to scan loose paper. You can't scan books or large paper with the help of sheet fed scanner. MICR. The full form of MICR is magnetic ink character reader or magnetic ink character recognition. It is used in the bank. In the bank, it is used to read the check number. On the bottom of a check, some numbers are written with the special magnetic ink. To read these numbers, we use magnetic ink character reader. Barcode reader. When you purchase any item, then you can see a series of parallel black lines and white spaces of different thickness. These lines are known as bar. Some information are hidden inside these bar. To read this information, we use barcode reader, right? So we can say barcode reader is an input device through which we can read barcodes. It is mostly used in supermarket to quickly input the information of a product into a computer, right? I hope that you are getting my points. Thank you.